In this video, we are going to see how we can record any kind of purchase of services in Zoho. So on 18th January, it says packing charges invoice received from Mr. Anthony, which is a new vendor. Now, what kind of packing is this? Because the items we deal in is fragile items, so they might need special packing and we don't have the packing unit or professional labor available. So instead of doing it in-house, we buy the service from an external vendor. So they are providing us the service and here is the invoice for it. Let's see how we can record this. First of all, on our right hand side, we have the quick create option. Just click here. And under the purchases section, we have the bills option right here. Just go to the bills. Vendor name, since it is a new vendor, I'll just copy the name or I can write it here. Let me just write it, Anthony. It's a new vendor and we will only fulfill the basic details, that is display name. Rest all the information is pretty basic and you can fill it later on. So let's continue with it. Click save. Bill number, we can specify any specific bill number and the bill date is 18th of January. So 18th of January is the bill date. Due date is same because the payment terms is due on receipt. In the subject, we can just copy and paste this narration right here. Just paste it here. And let's go to the items now. The item is a service item of packing charges. This is not an inventory. So we need to create a new item right from here. Click on add new item. Click on service because we are purchasing this as a service. Unit will be not specified here and we don't know the selling price yet. So instead, let's say that the selling price is 5,000. The cost price is 4,500. Let's fill in any details here because this is compulsory. Sales, cost of goods sold, all is automatically set. Paste it here, paste it in the description as well. And I don't track the inventory because it doesn't contain any kind of inventory. This is a service. So click on save. And here is the packing charges, which goes directly under cost of goods sold. Just remember that since this service is directly applicable to the products that we are planning to sell, that's why all kind of services or charges applicable directly on the products or inventory will be treated as cost of goods sold. So quantity, I'll just ignore the quantity and directly I'll just mention the amount here, 4,500, which is automatically mentioned since we have specified the rate. And the invoice is done. If you want to paste this narration in the notes as well, or you want to write your own, you can write it here. You can attach the physical bill and then click on save as open. It will then move to all bills where you can check the journal entry effect and the physical bill copy. Click on these three dots and click on view journal. So cost of goods sold as packing charges is debit and accounts payable is credit. The perfect treatment for purchase of services. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.